Sassy ladies, I just wanted to make a quick video and let you know about our new synthetic lace wig line. It is absolutely beautiful and I know you're gonna love it. It amazingly looks and feels like human hair. And yes, ladies, this is a synthetic unit. This is one of the units. It's called the Serenity. It's very beautiful and it is actually one of my favorites and I love it. And it has the this new line features the FUTURA fiber, which is the FUTURA HD fiber, a new fiber that is patented to our factory, and it is amazing. It has taken 6 years to perfect, so I know you guys are gonna absolutely love it. So this is my favorite unit and it looks really amazing. It has a long part, very lightweight, very beautiful. I know you're gonna absolutely love it. I hope you love the new collection, so go to our website and check it out today. Thank you.